Hello. Taking part in conversations can sometimes feel a little daunting if we lack confidence in our ability to speak and listen to others talking. So, how can we ensure that we are able to make contributions which move the conversations forward? Well, here is some helpful advice. Firstly, train your ears. Make sure you practice listening to others speak. Using subtitles on your television or videos you may be watching online will help you to able to understand what is being said, and obviously also consider the context in which they are said. Another way is to learn your key words. So there are words that we associate with key topics. So if you remind yourselves of those key words, then you are better able to listen for them and then able to use them. Listen for other key words as well, such as who, what, when, where, and why, and how, as they will often signify the start of a new topic or question. Think about using the wording of the question or some of the wording from another member in the group to show not only that you've been listening, but this will then give you the platform to add your own thoughts. So, for example, someone might say, I enjoyed the film last night, but I didn't like the end. Your response could be something such as, I thought the end of the film wasn't terrible, but I preferred other parts. So you can see how we've used what the other person has said to help us create our own response. But as always, the best way to make sure you are confident and familiar with this style of communication is to practice. Because as we know, the harder you work, the better you'll be at it. If you want to be a great musician, it takes practice. A great sports person takes practice. So being able to use language effectively is no different. So I wish you good luck on your quest. Thank you.